In psychology, there's a term called PFI that stands for personal fear of infidelity. It explains that people with high levels of PFI have a strong tendency to worry about the possibility of making a mistake or taking a wrong decision. And so the course of action usually taken afterwards is the known, not the unfamiliar, the sure, not the innovative, the safe, but not the creative. And it is fully understandable to have the fear of taking a wrong step, especially when you are trying to become someone you've never been before, trying to do something you've never done before. But in that sense, it's like telling a child, hey, go ahead, try and ride the bike, but don't you dare fall off of it. And see, that in itself sounds absurd. Of course, the child wouldn't feel the safety to even attempt to ride the bike. And so the antidote to taking action in spite of fear is actually to build trust with oneself. As Tom Bilyeu says, at the end of the day, all that matters is who you are when no one's around. All that you own is how you feel about yourself when no one's around. And when trust within oneself exists, then that space in itself is safe. And when that space is safe, it is easier to give yourself the permission to take a step of uncertainty, knowing that there is a possibility of you falling on your face. But just like the child has a safe space of falling off the bike, being picked back up, wiping the tears and trying again, you will have the trust that you will pick yourself back up if that happens.